This is a Tyra Banks and Eve from the Black Barbie Deja Vu Beyonce remix wig right here. I am feeling baby. Yes, honey. Oh my gosh. Deja Vu Barbie. I'm a Deja Vu Barbie today. So the collab that I'm doing today is with my girl Deanna Monet TV. If you don't know who she is and what she does a lot of stuff, hair, fashion, etc. But she stays slaying the wig reviews, okay? She's always doing a wig review. I'll put a little clip in here just so you can see what she looks like and what she does. But like if you're looking for a wig and you don't know which one to get, go to her channel, okay? Because she has a whole lot of wigs and options to choose from. I'm just letting you know. But that's my girl. Make sure when you're finished with this video, you definitely check her out. First of all, before I jump into the details about that, make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Make sure you turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss anything when I upload. But what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be reviewing the wig that I have on, which is obviously blonde. She's going to be reviewing a blonde wig too as well. Two different wigs we have though. So I think you guys need to check her out if you're looking for a nice blonde wig to see what it looks like on a lighter complexion. And you have me over here on a brown complexion. We're on two separate sides of the spectrum and we're both women of color. So I think it's awesome that we came together and collab and did this video together. So I'm gonna go ahead and just jump into the video. All right, y'all, so the unit that I'm gonna be reviewing today is this Outre lace front wig, and this has a Swiss lace part. The name of this is called Stevie. Okay, it says Stevie, but you know Jocelyn say Stevie, so I'm trying out Stevie today. The color that I'm using is the DRFF2 2730, and I think DRFF, correct me if I'm wrong, is for face framing because these highlights in the front is like really just in the front, and then it turns into like this honey blonde down here. So I feel like this is the face framing blonde right there in the front. Whatever, could be right, could be wrong. Let's move on, okay? So it says it's a high tech and it takes up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, heat resistant fiber, and I paid $31.99 for this unit on Sam's Beauty. I also used some sort of promo code that I found online, which got me like some free conditioner and shampoo samples. If you guys are into that kind of stuff, I'll put it in the description box so you guys can just use the promo code too, okay? So $31.99 for Stevie. This is what the wig looks like outside of it. Mad pretty, like it just looks so pretty. You just want to plop it on your head already, right? So on the inside of it, we have a comb in the back down by my nape, which I can feel it, and then we have two combs right here, just massaging my temples right now. I feel it up in there. Now it says lace front wig, but I don't know about all that. It has lace in the front, but it's not really a lace front wig. As you can see, we do have that little part right there. I give it about 2.5 inches, which is fine. It doesn't look too bad. It goes fur back enough for me, and this is just what it looks like on the inside. So I'm gonna plop this baby on my head. When I plopped it on my head, I immediately knew that it was a perfect fit and it was made for me because I have a square dice SpongeBob type head. It ain't hard to see. It's like boing, boing, boing. And she fits really, really good. Like this is big head friendly. So we're going to give her an A+++ for that because she fits me perfectly fine. Now, as you can see, the lace goes from ear to ear. So that is a plus. I'm telling you, she is big head friendly. I have a big ass head. I think I got the biggest head ever. Like, so if she fits me, it can fit you. As far as this being like a beginner friendly wig, I'm going to give it an A+++ because you really don't have to do much. All you really have to do is cut the lace as you see me doing. I just wanted to test to see if it really was heat safe, like I said, and I added a little bit of heat hair to kind of flatten that hump. Now you can do that because these steps are still really easy even for the beginners because you're not really doing nothing crazy, but you don't have to. If you just cut the lace, it still looked pretty good in my opinion. I added a little bit of powder, which is something that is optional. You really don't have to. Now let's get into what I really think about the wig in all its totality and if she's worth the $31.99, okay? Now we're gonna start off with talking about the volume. The volume of the hair is not that great to me. Okay, so this is all the hair to the front. And now we're going to talk about another con real quick because I can't even get into that because she's tangly. She does get tangly. I've noticed that. When I took her out the package, it feels all nice and stuff like that. But as soon as you put her in your head and you start messing around in it, it starts to get tangled. Not that I'm doing like too much, but she does get tangled, okay? So she gets tangled, but like I was saying, if the hair was like this from the front view and I had some hair in the back, I would be happy. But this is literally all the hair sitting in the front of my head. And if I turn to the side and to the back, you can see there's no hair back there. So she's really not that full, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and separate it. and put some more hair to the back of my head so you guys can get like a good like 360 of how she looks from the side and front. So this is what she's looking like from the front, not that full. This is what she looks like from the side. It looks a little bit better. And then this is what she looks like from the back. He's not that full, okay? I would have appreciated like maybe 4 to 3 more tracks in the back at least to fill that up. Even like this, when I just touch it, I can like feel my braids and cornrows. Like it's just super thin. It doesn't give the appearance of thinness towards the bottom, but on the scalp and the back is thin. Now, that is not a deal breaker because she's very, very pretty and I still look beautiful in this wig. So it's not going to make me be like, I'm not gonna get it, because I just might try her out in some other colors as well. She does shed, but it's not like horrific to where like you don't want to wear it because everywhere you go, you're gonna leave like hair hanging out of your panties and all that crazy stuff. She's not that bad when it comes to the shedding. It's just like normal shedding. It's something that I can definitely deal with. The napping up though, I don't know, that might be a bit embarrassing. You could be at work, don't know, the back of your head looking real nappy, and then you gotta comb it out when you go to the bathroom, like damn, that's where I was looking at. So it could get a little bit nappy in the back, so I'm just letting you know. But because she is so easy to use and she is a plop and go, I might just deal with it because I got work tomorrow, and I'm telling you for sure, I ain't doing nothing different to my head, so she coming with me to work. So I guess in that sense, I don't mind. As far as the beauty goes, we're going to talk about the color really quick, okay? So we got this nice dark black root, and it just fades very nice into this honey blonde, okay? Very nice ombre. It's very, very nice transition. It's not blunt at all. I think it's not too much of this super light blonde in the front because it's literally just in the front, and then we get the nice honey blonde going on right here. So I think the color is absolutely beautiful, and the way they transition from the colors to the next color was absolutely amazing. That was a really smart idea. I don't know who came up with it, but y'all did Stevie good for this one. He all right. Length? I don't know. She come up to like right here on me. I'll give her 20 inches the max. I would say 18 to 20 inches, I'm gonna say, because she right here at my boob. She's not all that long. She might be a little bit longer in the back. Yeah, she is mid back to the back, and the back of the hair is like mid back. If you straightened it, it'd probably give it a little bit more length. To be honest with you, I don't plan on straightening her. She's mad pretty, so I don't really want to manipulate the curls in any kind of way. This is bomb, okay? She looks really good. Now, for anyone who's not into blondes, she does come in some other colors, all right? She come in a 1, a 1B, a 2 for everybody who's just into the regular plain black or browns or something like that. She does come that way. We have some DR2/Auburn, DR4/613, DRFF2/2730, which is what I'm wearing. We also have a DRFF4/Champagne, which is also another blonde unit, and if I'm not mistaken, it was a little bit lighter than this one. And then we have a DRFF425/99J. So she does have a few options as far as color choices and stuff like that go. One of them is a red, has some red in it, because I know I saw it and I was like almost tempted to get that one too. Now, do I personally like the wig? Yes, I definitely do. I think she's very beautiful. For the price, if it was like $27.99, even though it's not that big of a difference, I would have felt happy just because it's still in the 20s somewhere, because it does get nappy and it's not that full. But I would probably buy her again in some other colors, because all in all, looking at it from the front, I like the way it frames my face and how it looks on me. So it is a beautiful wig all in all, okay? So she is pretty. If the flaws and the cons that I mentioned is something that you could deal with, then definitely check this wig out, because she's a pretty little unit here. Or he, or I don't know. Stevie is a man and a girl right now, because I keep calling it he and she, okay? We love everything, so it is what it is. So I'm gonna let you guys go, because I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about right now. I'm just going off. Make sure you guys check out Deanna's video, see what wig she's reviewing today. I know it's something blonde, but I can't wait to see what it looks like on her little pretty complexion. So I'm about to head that way too to check it out. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Give me a comment down below what you think of this unit, if you feel like it's worth the money. I don't know, let me know what you think. I'm gonna be doing more wig videos, okay, not just makeup. So be on the tune. This is 2020, so new popping, and this is my second video of the year, so we got more to come. I love you guys. Bye.